Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Maths Made Easy. In this channel, we talk about all things mathematics. Today, we're still looking on sword. I posted some other videos about sword, and sword is not that so simple. So it has other parts that we need to touch as well. So today we'll be looking at more examples on sword, and then we'll also look at division in swords. So quickly follow me and let's not get interrupted in any way. Alright, so we're looking at the first example today. Simplify root 60. Simplify root 60. That's very simple. If you have watched other videos of mine concerning the sword topic, you will know how I expatiated on this part, which is trying to split them into perfect squares or prime numbers, perfect squares or just any number that cannot be splitted. So we're going to quickly look at this root 60. First of all, what comes to your mind when you want to get a product for 60? The first thing that comes to your mind is root 6 times 10. Very easy. So root 6 times 10. But when you look at this, we do not have a perfect square. Isn't that so? We do not have a perfect square, and so we can't even do anything in this case. So, but there's something we can still do. There is a perfect square. So what we do is split them the more, which is, we say, in 6 we have 2 times 3. In 10 we have 2 times 5. Follow me carefully. 2 times 3 and 2 times what? 5. I hope we're moving together. Alright, so if you watch, perfect square is a number multiplying itself. That gives you what? A perfect square. So we have 2 multiplying itself here, which is the perfect square we are looking for. So we rearrange them like this. We say 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. And that will also give us what? That will give us 4 times 15. Can you see that we have done something very huge? Yes, on a norm you would have just said, this question is not just correct, or this question does not have a perfect square. But as a mathematician, we look deep. Okay, so root 4 times 15. The next thing we do, we split them or we separate them like this. Are you following? Now, square root of 4 is what? 2. And this cannot be splitted at all. Square root of 15 is still the square root of 15. So our final answer is 2 root 15. That's all. Can you see how easy it is? Now the second example, simplify root 3 times root 3. This is the easiest, like very easy. So first thing you do, solution, you say root 3 times root 3. That will give us what? Root 9. Isn't that so? And what is root 9? Root 9 is what? 3. And that's our answer. Simple. Very simple. Now we look at division in swords. So looking at division in swords, if you're given square root of m over n is the same thing as square root of m over square root of n. That's just it. So we have the first example, simplify root 35 over root 5. That's easy as well. So we come to this side to solve it. Now, root 35 over root 5, this will give us, what comes to your mind when you're looking for the product of 35? 7 times 5. 7 times 5 over what? 5. What do we do next? We split the 7 and the 5. So we say root 7 times root 5 over root 5. Can you see it? So in this case, root 5 we definitely cancel root 5 off. And then your final answer is just root 7. So this cancels this 1. We have our final answer. Our final answer to be root 7. And that's just all about division in sorts. We look at this other one again. Root 17 over 4. You can see that this follows the principle we have here for division in sorts. And what is the first thing they do? They split. So we'll say solution root 17 over 4 is the same thing as root 17 over root 4. Can you see it? And this we have root 17 because nothing can give us 17 except 1 times 17. So there's nothing we can do to split it more than that. But what about root 4? Root 4 is the same thing as 2. That is the square root of 4 is what? 2. So we have this. And that's our final answer with 17 all over 2. So that's about that for division in sorts. In my next video, we'll have more and more examples on sorts. So make sure you click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified when next I have another video. Thank you so much.